How to fix invalid data access trap stop error in Windows. 1. Remove any third-party media players using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 2. Unplug external peripherals. 3. Run a chkdsk scan. Command, chkdskc/f/r/x4. Reinstall your Windows into the default C drive location, using the official ISO file. 5. Update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Note, you may need to reinstall. Every USB 2 and USB 3 drivers as well. 6. Disable automatic restart in system properties. 7. Run Blue Screen Troubleshooter. 8. Scan your entire system using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 9. Update your Windows in its clean boot. Notes. 1. Get all pending updates installed. 2. You may need to disable your antivirus software. 3. You may also need to remove capture software and power DVD 10. For advanced users, check upgrade logs, event viewer, and dump file. 11. Update your BIOS version. 12. Deploy SFC and DISM scans as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/check-health-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 13. Perform a repair install in advanced Windows Safe Mode.